Back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change a Facebook background color. So let's dive in. Now you want to post, you click on your post, and this is it. So let me say something here. Just click on okay, let me click on your post. You can see, just scroll down on your post and click on background color, and this is it. You can just change the color to anyone you want. It is it settings here. Choose a background color, choose background. You can choose anything. Just click on this. You can see, click on this before you post, and you can see they have very lovely background you can choose, and you can just color say watermelon, and you can say watermelon, and you can post it. Just click on it and you'll be able to post your story. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.